The general equation for a metal oxide reacting with an acid is to produce a salt plus water. Again, my salt is going to be based on the metal and the acid that is being used. So I will get zinc chloride from hydrochloric acid and zinc, magnesium sulfate, zinc sulfate, magnesium chloride. So hydrochloric acid gives me a chloride salt, sulfuric acid gives me a sulfate salt, nitric acid a nitrate salt, and phosphoric acid a phosphate salt. Water is always a byproduct of the reaction. Since water is not a gas and nor is a salt, these are remarkably unspectacular. There's basically no observation at all, unless for some reason some of these ions are colored, but you don't need to know those colored ions. So you just need to balance the equation and make sure that you have created the salt correctly. So in the case of zinc, zinc has a valency of 2. If it combines with chloride, chlorine, which has a valency of 1, those two ions join together to form ZnCl2. So make sure that in each case you get the right formula for the salt and then balance the equation. Taking a look at the more general ones, if I'm going potassium oxide and sulfuric acid, I'll get potassium sulfate. Aluminium oxide and nitric acid, aluminium nitrate as my salt. Sodium oxide and phosphoric acid, sodium phosphate as my salt. Magnesium oxide and nitric acid, magnesium nitrate as your salt. Again, you need to be very aware of the formula for each of the salts. Aluminium has a valency of 3, it's in group 3. Nitrate has a valency of 1. So you make sure that you bond that aluminium to 3 nitrates, and then you land up with the bracket and the 3 at the end.